Ever wondered how millionaires manage their money? Today, we're sharing 7 smart money habits that the wealthy practice daily to build and maintain their fortune. It's not just about earning big, it's about having the right mindset. Millionaires focus on discipline, strategy, and consistent action in their financial lives. Habit number 1, track every single penny. Millionaires meticulously track their spending and know their precise net worth. You can't manage what you don't measure. The second habit is crucial. Live below your means. Prioritize saving over spending, regardless of how much you earn. Wealth is built on what you keep, not what you spend. Habit number 3, focus on increasing your income. Millionaires view their time as a valuable asset and continuously seek opportunities for professional and financial growth. Habit number 4, invest consistently and start early. Millionaires let compounding interest do the heavy lifting by regularly putting money into diversified investments. Habit number 5, dedicate time to continuous learning about finance and investments. The wealthy stay informed to make smart, strategic financial decisions. Habit number 6, automate your savings and investments. Paying yourself first ensures your financial goals are met before spending on anything else. Habit number 7, set clear, measurable financial goals. Millionaires know exactly what they are aiming for, which provides the focus needed to stick to their plan. Remember, building wealth isn't about one grand action, but the consistency of these daily smart habits. Start implementing them today and pave your way to financial success.